My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called Charmant. Now, this is the ransomware that encrypts files and damages the files. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. All that can be opened easily without any complications. However, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Charmant ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Then very soon users realize that they cannot access their data because of this Charmant ransomware. This ransomware is called Charmant because it encrypts files and appends this Charmant extension. It's not possible to use the files even if you remove this extension manually. The ransomware reveals this ransom note, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. But, of course, paying the ransom doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored, so don't waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. So download the software, install it, and then click on Start Scan. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. And the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course pretty essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So after the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner has been successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner, by the way, does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to detect this ransomware, remove it, and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. But it does not decrypt files. Keep this in mind. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. Based on the summary of these threats, some infections, of course, can be removed manually, but I do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner as the best solution to keep your data always protected from all further ransomware or malware attacks. Combo Cleaner works very well when it comes to identifying threats like adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimizers, of course ransomware, all sorts of misleading pop-ups, and removing this malware is possible with premium license of Combo Cleaner, but you may always request for the free trial of Combo Cleaner to fully evaluate its features. Also, I forgot to mention that you may find a special link in the description for this video, which will tell you more information about this ransomware and ways to possibly recover your data.